Today we're going to be unboxing part 2 Jason. But I really need my dad's help. I don't know how to unbox these. There's tape there?
Well, we need scissors.
Oh. I got the tape. So we're both wearing a Jason mask. This is the box, as you guys could see earlier. There's the background. That's our figure, obviously. What should we start with? The weapons or the figure? Or...
What are you going to, buddy? You
might need a...
spear.
I'm trying to get out the campfire. But here's the spear. Gonna take a sec or two.
Here's one of that.
And here's the campfire. These are like two different pieces. Let's get to the weapons. So as I showed you earlier, there's a spear. There's a classic machete. For some reason it has like, I don't know what that is. His pickaxe. And then his pitchfork. So we do the heads now? Okay. Trying to... Oh shoot. We'll do that one next. But here's his unmasked head. And his mother's head. But we did forget to do one weapon. That needs your help. But actually, we forgot to do the kitchen knife. Now we will need scissors though. So it's hard to like move. But here's the figure itself. There we go. It's very rough. Like the joints are very rough. So that if you could take off the head and replace it, that would be nice. It could break some axles on the mud. That's neat, I guess. But here's the head that it comes with on the body. And here he is with the unmasked look. The side is basically bald on the side. I told you he had hair in the movie. Is it over like a separate piece?
Mm-mm.
See, it's.
No, it doesn't come off.
I know, but like, feels like it's a separate piece.
It doesn't come off.
I don't know. There's some blood on the hand. I'm gonna show you guys this. And just that hand. Okay, oh, that was easy. Okay, put back on the head. We have about like basically 10 more minutes to film, so. The head with the socket doesn't really move that well. This is like, we can make him hold the pickaxe. Maybe it's not for that hand. There we go. His pickaxe. His spear. Wait, hold up. Try and make him do that one like pose. Wait, hold up. I'm trying to make him do like that pose in part 6. Yeah, there we go. There we go. With his spear. Okay. So we have him holding his mother's head. This isn't really an accessory, but I can kind of hold his mother's head. I'm gonna try to figure out how to hold the kitchen. There we go. Yeah, holding the kitchen knife now. There we go. And then there's 2 more weapons left. There's coming on which is 10 minutes recording. Having some difficulties. And like slash and stuff. And his last weapon, a pitchfork. Maybe this one's worth this hand. Which one? No? A pitchfork. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video. And yeah.